Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Mr. English podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Hi, everyone. How are you today?
I'm feeling great, David. Today, I woke up early and smiled at myself in the mirror.
Ha, that's a good start to the day. Smiling first thing in the morning is positive thinking in action.
That's right. And today, we will talk about positive thinking every day.
Positive thinking helps you feel happy, focus better, and handle challenges easily.
Before we start, a quick reminder. If you like this podcast, please subscribe, share, and give us a like.
And listeners, if you are ready to feel positive today, say, "I'm ready," with us.
I'm ready. Great. Let's start with a simple question, David. Do you ever wake up feeling a little negative?
Oh, yes. Sometimes I feel sleepy, and I think, oh no, another busy day.
Me too. But positive thinking is choosing to focus on the good things instead of the worries.
Exactly. Let's explore how we can think positively every day. Emily, what exactly is positive thinking?
Positive thinking is focusing on good things and solutions instead of problems or worries.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Imagine you are late for school or work. A negative thought is, I am late. Everything is ruined. A positive thought is, I am late, but I can still do my best today.
Ah, so it's about seeing the good side.
Yes. Another example. You spill coffee. Negative? Oh no, I ruined everything. Positive? It's okay. I can clean it and continue.
Let's do a mini practice with listeners. Repeat after me. I choose to think positively today.
Great. Now try, I focus on good things.
I focus on good things.
A short dialogue practice. I feel worried about my test.
I understand, but I will think positively and do my best. Listeners repeat, I will think positively and do my best.
Another exercise. Think of one negative thought you had today and turn it into a positive one.
For example, if you thought, I can't do this, you can say, I will try my best and learn.
Perfect. Small practice every day helps your mind train to think positive automatically.
Why is positive thinking important?
Positive thinking gives many benefits.
Yes, first, it helps reduce stress. When you focus on good things, you worry less.
Second, it helps you sleep better. Happy thoughts make your mind calm at night. Third, it gives you more energy and motivation to do tasks.
And it helps you get along with people. Positive people are fun to be around.
Mini practice. Listeners, say 3 positive things in your life today.
For example, I have a friend. I can speak English. I ate a healthy breakfast.
Good. Let's repeat this sentence together. I focus on good things every day.
I focus on good things.
Another example. You get a low score in a test. Negative thought, I failed. Positive thought, I can learn from this and do better next time.
Repeat with us. I can learn from mistakes and improve.
I can learn from mistakes and improve. Now let's talk about how to think positively every day.
Tip 1. Gratitude. Think about things you are thankful for.
Tip 2. Positive affirmations. Say short positive sentences like, I am capable, or I can do this.
Tip 3. Visualization. Imagine success in your mind.
Tip 4. Positive language. Use I can instead of I can't.
Let's practice a dialogue. Emily, imagine you are nervous about a presentation.
I say, I feel nervous, but I will do my best and speak clearly.
Listeners repeat. I will do my best and speak clearly.
Another role play. You meet a friend and want to encourage them.
Don't worry. You are doing great, and everything will be okay.
Repeat with us. You are doing great and everything will be okay.
You are doing great, and everything will be okay.
Daily practice. Every morning, think one positive thought about your day.
And every evening, remember one positive thing that happened today.
Now, David, sometimes we have negative thoughts, right?
Yes, sometimes I think, I can't do this, or I failed. That's normal. Everyone has negative thoughts, but we can change them into positive thoughts.
Exactly. Let's do a small exercise. Listeners, think of one negative thought you had today.
Now, turn it into a positive thought. For example, I am tired. Arrow, I will rest for 10 minutes and then try again.
Great. Another example, negative, I made a mistake in my work. Positive, I can learn from my mistake and do better next time.
Repeat with us. I can learn from my mistakes and improve.
David, sometimes I get upset when something doesn't go as planned.
Me too. Then I use a fun trick. I say, it's okay, I can laugh at it and move on.
Haha, yes, humor helps. Listeners, try it next time something small goes wrong.
Role play time. Imagine you spilled coffee on your notebook.
Negative thought, oh no, my work is ruined.
Positive thought. I can clean it and continue my work.
Repeat after us. I can clean it and continue my work.
Another tip. Use positive sentences every day. For example, I can handle challenges, or I am strong.
Let's practice I am strong and I can face any challenge today.
Mini story time. Yesterday, I was nervous about speaking English with a new friend. My first thought, I will make mistakes.
And what did you do?
I changed it to, it's okay. I will try my best and learn. And the conversation went well.
See, changing thoughts changes the results. Another exercise, write one negative thought on a paper and rewrite it positively.
Repeat with us. I replace negative thoughts with positive thoughts.
Now let's practice real-life conversations with positive thinking.
Scenario 1, you are tired but need to study.
I say, I am tired, but I will study for 10 minutes first.
Listeners, repeat. I will study for 10 minutes first. Scenario 2. You are upset about a mistake at work.
I say, it's okay. I can learn and do better next time.
Repeat. I can learn and do better next time.
Scenario 3, you feel nervous before a presentation.
I feel nervous, but I will do my best and smile.
Repeat with us, I will do my best and smile.
I will do my best and smile.
Scenario 4, encouraging a friend.
Don't worry. You are capable and will succeed.
Repeat, you are capable and will succeed.
You are capable and will succeed. Another practice is asking yourself positive questions.
For example, what is one good thing I can do today?
Repeat. I choose one good thing to do today.
Let's do a mini quiz. What is positive thinking? Give one example of changing a negative thought to a positive thought. Name one daily habit to stay positive. How can you encourage someone else today?
Listeners, answer out loud. Answers. Positive thinking is focusing on good things and solutions. Example, I spilled coffee, arrow. I can clean it and continue my work. Daily habit, morning gratitude, affirmations, or visualization. Encourage someone, you are capable and will succeed.
Listeners, reflection time. Ask yourself, what positive thought will I choose today? Which negative thought can I turn into positive? How can I practice positivity with friends or family?
Repeat with listeners, I will choose one positive thought today.
Common mistake, thinking everything must be perfect.
Tip, focus on progress, not perfection.
Another mistake, complaining instead of finding solutions.
Tip, replace complaints with actions or positive thoughts.
Reflection exercise, write one positive thought for tomorrow and say it out loud. My positive thought for tomorrow is...
Let's summarize today's tips for positive thinking. Focus on good things and solutions. Replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Practice gratitude, affirmations, and visualization daily. Encourage yourself and others. Remember, progress is better than perfection.
Small daily practices make your mind stronger and happier.
And every positive thought you choose improves your life step by step. Thank you, Emily. And thank you, listeners.
Keep practicing positive thinking every day.
And if you like this podcast, subscribe, Mr. English Podcast, share, and like.
See you next time. Bye.
Stay positive, smile, and enjoy every day.